Like, is it the pheromone that they emit? Is it
Note
similar to
to
like
self: don't kill a cicada in front of your house because it attracts bees. As you can see, it's been moved. They have actually moved the cicada
from that little
from
the little
the
like
Devitt right there.
well, no, it's like that little brown spot that you can see where it was when it was squished.
From here, right?
No, one
No,
up, right
here.
there. Yep.
Here.
And they've moved it.
And they moved it there.
Watch out, there's another ace.
Oh god.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's like a grand total of like 4 or 5 bees.
There's
that
4
are...
or 5 bees. I just wanted to show the world this. See, another one is coming. They're actually communicating. It's incredible. And before, what we seen earlier was the ants
and the
we're going after.
Yeah, and the fruit flies were going
And
after
the fruit
it too.
flies.
And the bees were defending it.
And the bees, yeah, the bees defended it, and they took charge. And
this is where we're at. That's not a bee, that's a fly.
Okay. Just being sure.
But if anybody could tell me why a bee would eat a dead cicada, that'd be great.
Well, it's probably for the nutrition in it.
I honestly don't know. I didn't know bees were carnivores.
I didn't know either. I thought they ate flower and pollen.
I thought they ate, like...
Truly?
I mean, I knew that they killed other insects for, like, war purposes.
No.
Like, protection purposes, but, like... They're literally dismantling the cicada and bringing it back, so I'm not entirely sure.
It's fascinating. Nature at its finest. Do you guys see this? Tell me this is not incredible in its own way. Well, I guess this is our first series in our YouTube video, our YouTube channel. What's the name of it, babe? I don't know.
Embrace nature.
What do you want to call our YouTube channel?
Embrace nature.
Embrace, well, we don't just talk about nature. Science? Embrace the science?
No.
No. It's hard coming up with a name.
Right.
Gosh. Well, we have a lot of interesting things to talk about.
Not right now.
No, not right now, but in these next videos. Upcoming. Each video will have a different life lesson, I think.
Are you done now? Oh wait, here comes another.
Here comes more. Shit. It's gonna reel up in this bitch. Oh, can I swear?
I'm not sure.
I